Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. Thank you for tuning in. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I am going to be reinstalling one of my older wigs. This is a wet and wavy wig, and honestly I just got tired of tending to my natural hair, which I normally do, and I just be like, oh, for the time being while my hair is out, I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna wear my hair and I'm just gonna love it. I do love it, but then I be lying to myself saying I'm never gonna wear a wig again. False. I don't care what time of the year it is, I'm going to be wearing a wig. As you can see, I'm detangling it. I'm actually about to blow it out with some blowout cream. That's by Dark and Lovely, and I'm just going to run that through my hair, and we're going to go ahead and blow this hair out. Y'all, I was looking like the cherry red version of Ice Spice. I was looking like daggone the guy from The Simpsons or whatever with my hair blown out like this, but when my hair straight with this red, y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? Because this red is fire. But yes, I'm going to be going in and I'm just going to blow out my hair so that way I can braid it down. Now, truth be told to you guys, I'm not going to lie. My braids, I did not care. I was being real lazy about my braids, so I was just like, y'all finna get these jailhouse. Honestly, I can't say jailhouse because I've seen some jailhouse braids look way better than when I was looking at my head. I was just being lazy and I was like, it's going under a wig, so I don't really care. Oh, another thing about this video too, not even just this video, the wig install. If you guys watch one of my previous videos, I don't use ball caps anymore. I think honestly, it won me over without the ball cap method. If you use a skin protectant, you don't have to worry about the glue being too harsh on your skin. I mean, come on now, use a skin protectant. But I'm using the Bold Hold skin protectant and the Bold Hold glue, so yeah. But I just love the way the finish looks without the ball cap. I know people think, what about your hair underneath? Well, for one, that's what the makeup's for. It's going to cover that up so you don't see it. But literally, I feel like my edges and stuff are a lot safer without the ball cap, because I feel like the ball cap slides back first, and then that's what's like pulling at the hair. And I could literally tell you that I can feel when the ball cap will slide back, and I can feel it adding tension to my hair, and then that's when I will go to like scratch or like try to adjust, not realizing like, oh, your hair is caught in the glue. That's why you got that weird sensation going on your hairline. So no, we opted out. So if this wig comes up, it's coming up on its own without any edges attached to it.
Got me too excited. Yeah. You play some things that I think that I can find. You might have done this before. This can't be the first time. We might have been before, but still fresh in my mind. I'm looking for some things that I think that I can find. You gotta share somebody but love for the blue fire. You might have done this before, this can't be your first time. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh baby, oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just say it, alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So after I grabbed my wig, I was going to put some of the Benefit Cosmetics Hula Caramel Bronzer on the lace. I had started doing that, but then I realized I want to use my lace tint. So I went and grabbed that, and I just started spraying that on the lace as well. And as far as my actual braids that you see me rubbing in, it's just some Dew Grow. I like to oversaturate my hair with grease because it's no telling how long my hair is going to be up under this wig. So I want to make sure it's nice and fed, and I'm not overdoing it to the point where it's like gonna clog me for it. I'm just making sure my hair, like mainly the ends and the shaft of the hair, is like not gonna be hungry or feeding for water basically when I go to apply this wig. And then, as I can see, I was being real lazy about these braids, like I said, so I was not trying to like really get my edges in the mix with it, so I kind of just slick those down because it's going under a wig, so who cares? I don't care. If it was a client, then, you know, I'd do the works, but right now I don't care. I just want to get this wig on because I just need to do something with my hair. You try to come back when
get famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
So on this specific install, I normally do like 3 coats, but I only opted in for 2 just because I feel like, you know, if I need to reapply, I'll reapply, but I didn't want to put too much on. I feel like it's personally holding well. If I have to go back and adjust anything, that's what I have my Godspeed glue spray for, and the glue. I just go back in with the rat tail comb and I put it in the areas that it needs to be put in. But I don't really care to put like the 3 coats on a lazy day, just because I know for a fact I'll probably get tired of wearing the wig and want to change it out for a different one. And for those of y'all who feel like, girl, you don't need to put that on your skin, like I said, use the skin protectant. And then on top of that, I got a lot of forehead space, so baby, listen, don't worry about it slipping on my edges or bothering my skin. That's why I use the skin protectant, and I've used it before. I hear whatever the word is, my hairline. So we good. So I'm just gonna tack that down with my rat tail comb to make sure it's really pressed into that glue. For those of y'all that watch any of my hair videos, most of the time I have my husband come in and help me. And when I say help me, I mean like he normally just holds down the sides while I go get my band and put my band on it. And he helps me lace my wig up in the back. Because if your husband ain't helping you lace your wig up in the back, then what is he there for?
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing this.
Y'all, I honestly don't know what was going on with my lights. I don't even think it was my lights. I think it was just my camera. I think the lens was just going in and out trying to adjust to the brightness of the lights, because instead of having like my camera on manual, I had it on program, and I think it was just losing its mind, because when I recorded my other video, it didn't do this with like the light adjustment. So I think my camera was just going through it, trying to figure out where to focus, how to focus, and what to do. So don't mind the lights. It's not gonna be like this in any other video. It was just this one because I wanted to try something different with my camera settings. But you know, actually I'm not gonna do that again with this one because it just kept getting hurt. Tabs that came up just a little bit, but that's fine. So I had to go in and cut some extra lace off. So I just went ahead and put some more lace glue on those areas, and then I went ahead and put that back down just to let it get tacky some more. I also put some spritz on the lace just to help it melt some more. So I actually did see this lace melt by Even. My mom had brought it by, and I was like, hold up, what is that? I'm gonna have to go see what's popping about that lace melt, because you know I need my melted like that. So I'm gonna go check that out. I should have kept it when she brought it in the house, but it's okay. We're gonna go get it for ourselves and give it a review.
Stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence.
But after I put my ear tabs down, I went ahead and did my makeup too, just because I wanted it to set for a while too. So you're probably gonna see this like jump scenes or jump, because you know I wanted to do my makeup and I had to set. So yeah, the makeup is on fire. Like, look at that. And that's Nay's head, if you see that. my little baby girl. But yeah, that's how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Still got love for your mommy, hey.